If you are a fitness freak or aim to become one, there's one gadget today that you really can't do without. Fitness-focused smartwatches have made tracking your progress, getting instructions for workouts, keeping you motivated, all extremely easy, and they just keep getting better. But there's one really important feature that even the most high-end watches tend to miss out on. A good GPS system on your watch can be quite useful whether you enjoy walking, running, biking, or swimming, but is either entirely absent from watches or needs the phone to run in sync. So who better than one of the pioneers of GPS technology to finally bring out a smartwatch that can boast a truly effective GPS capability, making it one of the best activity trackers in the market.
Here we go!
The vívoactive HR GPS smartwatch comes from Garmin, the US firm renowned internationally for its GPS specialization for automotive, aviation, marine, sports, and other utilities. It's a really smart-looking watch that makes possible GPS-enabled running, biking, swimming, snowboarding, golf, rowing, paddleboarding, and activity tracking right on your wrist. You can safely tuck your phone away with this device and sweat it out all day. This functionality is further enhanced by the built-in altimeter and accelerometer, the latter letting you run both indoors and out. Its activity tracker is also great when you are not engaged in heavy workout, as it counts steps covered, calories burned, and floors climbed throughout the day, and monitors your sleep quality as well. Added to these is the innovative Elevate heart rate technology, which accurately measures heart rate at the wrist, gauging your efforts without the need of a chest strap. This 24/7 heart rate data lets the vívoactive HR quantify the intensity of your fitness activities much more accurately than other smartwatches. With access to the Connect IQ store, you can get your watch to do a whole lot more too. With hundreds of apps and widgets, like the golfing app that has a database of 40,000 course maps from across the world, or the cycling app that measures time, distance, speed, and calories specifically for intense biking sessions. Plus, you have the regular useful features like smart notifications for calls, text messages, email, social media alerts, etc. Garmin has taken a lot of care to design a good-looking watch to go with all its smart features. The regular fit version is a sleek black-colored gadget that fits wrist circumferences of 5.39 to 7.68 inches and comes equipped with a sunlight-readable, high-resolution color touchscreen. You can also personalize your device by downloading free custom watch faces from the Connect IQ online store. Water resistance and a battery life of 8 days on one full charge show that this is a sturdy, powerful machine too. Let's see if all this promise translates to good user reviews. It has earned an average score of 3.7 on 5 stars from close to 1,600 reviewers, which is a fairly respectable score. One of the most frequent complaints seems to be with the dim screen, but as it turns out, the default level is intended to keep battery use low and can actually be raised to the desired level quite easily. Beyond some minor issues, this smartwatch does seem to have become the favorite tracker for many fitness enthusiasts thanks to its advanced features. That's about all we have on the Garmin vívoactive HR GPS smartwatch for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartwatch reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.